शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो। Krishna love. The love towards Krishna, unto Krishna. Srimati Radhika has that thing. How to love Krishna, how to please Krishna. So, our objects should be like this. Like Rupa Goswami, he has written. First we should know who is Krishna. Who is Krishna? The beloved of Radhika. Don't take Krishna your beloved. You should think that my Aradhya Devi is Srimati Radhika. We want his mood. We cannot take solely his mood, her mood, partly. And what is that partly mood of Srimati Radhika? The mood of Rup. We can take only this. So our object of a whole devotion is to serve Srimati Radhika. This is. And take partly her mood to serve Krishna, like Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami has not served Krishna solely as Srimati Radhika. He has served Srimati Radhika. No? If he wanted, he had served Krishna like so, because he was himself Naika, not less than any gopi. But they never thought of this, to be any Naika. Naika, you know?
Heroine.
Like Lalita, Vishakha, Chitra, Champaklata, Shyamla, Bhadra, Chandra, they are all Naikas. But Lalita Vishakha and Rupa Goswami and all other Goswami never wanted to serve Krishna like them, only like Rupa Goswami. Always serving Srimati Radhika. And her guidance, if she will tell anything, they will do. This is Rupanubhava. So object, treasured object of Krishna love. Treasure means treasury.
Sampatti khajana.
So much affluence and wealth there. We cannot take all. But some 1 2 jewels of Radhika treasure. And that is Rupanubhava. We can take. It is most valuable. It covers all. But we can realize we people serve any Vaishnava living in world having these modes, then we can have. Our life will be successful. Our object of all bhakti is that. What? That's Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur has told. Or what object? We want to be the lotus dust of the lotus feet of Rupa Manjari. This song I sang in the departures of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami in Vrindavan, Samadhi place. Why I sang? That sometimes in Mathura and everywhere I saw that he used to appreciate this song so much when I used to sing. So I thought that this was very, very
Dear to him.
dear to Swami. In Mathura and everywhere I used to sing this kirtan. No? He liked to hear this song. So I sang that at that very time. That he is hearing. Sirupa Manjari Pada Sei Mora Sampad. Sampad means?
Well,
Oh, this Sampad here, treasury. In Srimati Radhika's treasure, this Sampati is there. We can have. How can? By serving Rup Manjari. Srimati Radhika will keep this jewel. No? How he has taken all these things from Rup Goswami and all these epics and all these books. I surprise, I wonder how. This is the glory of Swamiji. And the glories which we are going to tell are not really glory. He was so bairagi, renunciate. They have nothing to do with any worldly things. These are not glories. In their eyes, it may be glory. But this is secondary. He preached all over world the name. This is glory, but secondary, thirdly, fourthly. We cannot realize. This thing which is giving here, he wants to give a jewel from the where?
Treasury.
Treasured object of Krishna love, where he is in the Radhika heart. And he has come to give this a special thing. Who will glorify in this way? To Swamiji? This is the highest glory of Swamiji. But I think rare are in this world are person that they can
Realize.
touch even the glory of Swamiji. It was given by Swarup Damodar to Rup Goswami, and Rup Goswami gave it to Jiva Goswami,
Raghunath Das
Raghunath
Goswami.
Goswami. Kindly, mercifully he gave to Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami. And it went in the hands of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. And thus came to in the hands of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur and Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. And from his hands, some little jewels he gave to Swamiji. Oh, go give it to world. But very rare are. You are willing to give, but they will not take. They will refuse. And we want that thing. What thing? So no harm. Even something they are taking. I think that when we will be in association of any these kinds of bhakta, then we can touch the glory of Swamiji. Who is Guru? Those who have taken some jewels from the treasure of
Rupa Goswami Pad.
Radhika. Here told. And what is that jewel?
Mood of Rupa.
To serve Srimati Radhika like this is jewel. Those who have this jewel, they can give you. Other they who has no jewels like this, how can they give? They will tell only what they have realized, bring money to make mandir, and I am giving visa to you and you will directly go there. This is the main object of Prabhupada he came. I think they have not touched the glory of Swamiji. So if they have jewel like these things from the treasure house of Srimati Radhika, Guru, his Guru, you should have so much honor with a Priti Rati. You should do serve all these things, what we have told, what Raghunath Das Goswami. Then you will see that very soon you will develop Krishna consciousness. This is mercy. If you want to take my mercy or any Rupanuga Vaishnava or anything, this is the mercy you should try and see. This will solve all kinds